How to purchase this ebook? At first, go to English Skill Improvement YouTube channel. Click here. Click on ebook. Click on next. Enter your valid email ID. In this email ID, you will receive your payment receipt after successful payment. I am entering my email ID and phone number. You have to use your email ID and phone number. Enter your phone number. Click on Pay. There are many payment options. Card, UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, others, net banking, wallet. Many options. You can choose anyone from these. I am choosing Phone Pay. I have completed payment successfully. Wait for a few seconds. Redirecting. You can see here download has been started. Downloading. Ebook download complete. Now click on it and open. This is the ebook which you have purchased. Now you can check your email. This is the first email. This is the second email. In this second email, you can see your payment receipt. Now download this payment receipt. This is the payment receipt. In this way, you can purchase this ebook.